Good morning. Welcome back to Richoux and Merry Christmas Vlogmas Day 6. Hopefully y'all are enjoying Vlogmas Day 5. It's about 7:45, so that video should be going live here pretty soon. It's Saturday, so we're having organizers come to the house. I've been talking about it all week. So I need to get Eric up because they'll be here at 8:30. I need to get Eric not a haircut, but like a refresh of his lineup at 8, which is right down the street. So hopefully I can get that done. And yeah, get everybody up, get Bug situated so we can get started at 8:30 when they get here. How's y'all's weekend going? Hopefully y'all have something really fun planned for the first weekend of December. It seems like it's going by kind of fast. So Keith says we're gonna be decorating outside today. I don't know how we're gonna do that today, but we'll see. We're also making a brisket, so that'd be fun. Anyway, let's get Bubba up and get to the next. All right, guys, look who is up.
I want to eat a candy cane.
He want to eat a candy cane. And my mom's over there. Hey, Mom. Hi. Ain't she gorgeous?
Yes, I am. She said she's going to eat a candy cane too.
Let's don't zoom in.
She said she's going to eat the candy cane too.
Yes.
Anyway, so it's 8:15. I was gonna get Eric a haircut. We can't get in to get the haircut until 9, so I don't even know if that's gonna happen today. So anyway, waiting on Sorted to get here, and that's gonna be a whole process. I'm gonna try to set the camera up and get a couple of shots, but I don't want the camera to be in the way, so y'all don't have to talk. And then like at the end I can get like A-roll shots.
Cool. Awesome. You're gonna have to like give me a little tutorial about like video. I don't know how to do anything. I don't even know how to time lapse on my phone.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm tossing stuff after.
This is a little lunch pad. This is.
Well, you can take that to work.
Yeah.
Instead of taking that hard one. Oops, excuse me, guys. Okay, guys, so this is how Eric's room is looking. We've been in here how long? Like an hour?
An hour.
Yeah, looks really good. Like, this is his closet. Excuse me. Looks really good so far. Now I'm going to show y'all the reason that they are here. Okay. So, y'all have seen this room multiple times from when we were renovating. We just decided to dump everything in here, literally. So, this is what we're going to work on today. It's going to get worse before it gets better.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, let's get started. Look at Victoria, she's working over there. I'm over here filming. Okay, Bye guys. Okay guys, so it's like 2:30 and they've been so busy. I didn't realize we had so much stuff. So they got Eric's room done, so we're gonna walk and look the finished product. He's already been in here, so what ifs. Okay, so woo, it's bright in here. This is Eric's room. His closet is completely organized. So nice. We moved the dresser over. It's pretty much empty though because we were able to get rid of a lot of things. Rearrange some things. It looks so nice and airy in here. I just need to paint, but it is what it is. And then we have my room, which y'all know I don't like a lot of furniture anyway, so it doesn't look that different. But the closet is getting done. I'm gonna point over here so y'all can see Victoria is still over here working. Y'all, this has been a process. The whole it gets worse before it gets better thing is so true, because I'm going to show y'all this room over here. I'm going to show y'all my front room, which was completely clean, by the way. But yeah, so this is the back room. We haven't gotten to that wall or anything, but you can walk in here now. And if y'all remember what it normally looks like, you can't walk in here normally. So that's really, really good. We went through a lot of things. Lots and lots of things. So this is just day 1. I'll be back tomorrow for day 2. Look, I have laundry that needs to get done. That's all the things I'm keeping. It's gonna look better. We're getting there. But I'm gonna step outside so y'all can see all the stuff that we got rid of. Look at all of the things we got rid of. Y'all. So cool. Okay, so that's what we've been doing most of the day. Keith has been outside doing Keith stuff, doing electrical, smoking a brisket, and getting ready to hang up Christmas lights. So yeah, that's what's been going on at the Richoux camp. I don't know what else we're doing, but if I figure it out, I'll let y'all know. Bye guys. Hi guys, so we're exhausted and I'm too tired to edit this vlog, so we're gonna combine today and tomorrow, and they'll both go up Monday. So see y'all tomorrow. Good morning. So Victoria and Katie from Sorted NOLA are back, and we are knee deep in all of our stuff. So I'm sitting on the bed so I can be out of the way, but I just wanted to let y'all know that tackling organizing a very junky room in your home is an ordeal, but it's definitely something you should do. Keith and I are both feeling really like relieved kind of to get rid of some of the things and have someone here to kind of be a buffer between what to get rid of and what not to. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Mom is going to be going home later on today, and hopefully tonight we'll be able to debut our display outside. Anyway, hopefully y'all enjoying Vlogmas. This is Vlogmas day 7, so I'm combining 6 and 7 together. So yeah, happy Sunday. All right guys, I just want to show y'all this brisket that honey just let me just show y'all. Y'all, look at that. It's just falling apart though. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It's just falling. I'm just barely touching it.
Look at
So
this,
good.
folks. Watch this.
Look at all
Watch
that
this, folks.
juiciness.
Watch this, folks. Look at that. Look at that.
He can't even pick it
Look
up.
at that. Look at that, folks.
And it's good. Okay, y'all, look at this room. Y'all remember what it looked like before, because y'all have seen it. So we're gonna see what Keith's reaction is. Okay. All right.
Here we go. Damn, look at the room in here. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's real good.
My reaction was better. I was like, oh my god.
This looks good.
Yeah. It's crazy, like how much room is in here. I was so worried that we couldn't do the closet and the office, but there's definitely more than enough room in here.
Yeah.
Holy crap, all of our stuff.
Yeah.
So organized, all our decor. Alright guys, so the organizers have left, and I showed y'all Eric's closet, but I want to show y'all his drawers because they are so beautiful. So when you open it, these are his underwear, and they have this drawer divider here for underwear and socks, and it's labeled.
Mama, look at me.
Here we have pants and pajamas and shorts. Down here we have his shirts.
And today the organizers left everything.
And then that is empty, and these two are empty. So I'm just so happy that everything looks so good. And I've already showed y'all this room, but I just want to flip the light on again so y'all can see. There's nothing on the floor. Everything is hung up and organized. We have clean baskets for when we do laundry. Here is Keith and I's room. And there's not much to show in our closet because that's just backstock storage for Christmas decor and stuff like that when we're done with it. But here's our drawers that we're going to be sharing together. This is Keith's. So y'all look at these socks. Shirts, and this is file folded. So yeah. And socks, underwear, and stuff like that. So yeah guys, we are ecstatic about the progress. I will walk up front, but Keith has the football game on and it's really loud. But yeah, so we're gonna let Eric do his admin because we didn't let him do it yesterday, and today is my day, so Keith is supposed to be writing for my day. Eric's gonna change the date, and then that'll be it. I know that this was just us having our home professionally organized, but this is something that we have been looking to get done for a long time, and this is just part one. That we'll be coming back to do part two, which is we're gonna install the closet system in this extra bedroom. They're gonna come in and they're gonna move everything over to the closet system. They're gonna do the kitchen and the bathroom, and we'll show that as well. We were trying so hard to get everything done outside, but it started raining, so I wanted to reveal our outside decorations to you guys, but it's raining, so you know we're not gonna go out there and be trying to put up lights and stuff and anything like that. So hopefully we can get it done tomorrow and let y'all see it tomorrow. I'm not sure what we're doing tomorrow. I'm hoping me and Eric can do some cookies tomorrow. And so yeah, I also have a very important call tomorrow, starting the process of the brand revamp. So yeah, it's been a very fun weekend, pretty much having our house professionally organized. Mom was here, she's now gone, and yeah,
I'm gonna make cookies and I'm gonna eat them.
yes. Y'all should see his face. So yeah, we're gonna do the Advent and then cook Boogie's food. We're gonna get some food ourselves, because even though we cook brisket, we wanted to keep some of it for later on in the week so that we don't have to cook throughout the week. So yeah, that's what's going on, and we'll see y'all when we do this Advent. Let's go. So you're gonna open day 6.
Day 6.
Yep. Pull it open. What is in there? What gift is in there for Bubba?
Money.
Money.
Bye.
Pull it out. It's yours. Pull it out. You want it to go in your piggy bank?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't have a piggy bank.
Yeah, we'll get you one. All right. You happy?
Yeah.
Okay. Love you. So what day? Not 19, but 18, because we missed yesterday. So change it to 1/8. No, 1/8. 1. Okay, so it's supposed to say 1/8. So switch them around. Switch it. Put the one, yeah. 1/8. All right. You gotta do the other one like that. You ready? Okay.
So I gotta find the 8.
You need to find 1 first. 1.
1.
Okay, is there an 8 on that one? I don't think so, but there's a 1 on that one. So is there an 8 on the one you just changed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, look for it. 8. So it needs to be 1/8. All right, love muffin. All right, guys, so I'm filming on my phone because I've already started editing the video, but I just wanted to pull my advent calendar because today is the 7th, so I need to do mine. So we're just gonna pull it here. All right. To Ash, love you for all you do for our family. Eric and I wish you a very Merry Christmas season. Hope you get all you wish for. Love, Eric and Keith. Thank you, honey. Y'all, my husband is the bestest. Thank you. All right, guys, that's going to end it for Vlogmas Day 6 and 7 for us. Thanks so much for joining us on We Wish You a Merry Christmas, and look out for the next video. Bye.